And welcome back to the channel. This is me going to be talking for a little bit. I really don't know what you guys want to see from what I do with my tool restorations or whatever. This is a haul I got from an auction. As you know, I got lots of my stuff from auctions. And this particular auction, they have at the end of a lot number being sold. If they're not sold individually, they will basically put them all together and sell them as a job lot. And I'll put a picture up here that I actually took of the auction when I bought this lot. Everything you see in these two boxes and everything in the previous picture, that's the still picture, the whole lot was $30. I did look at a couple of, I really just wanted the files. There's lots of files in there. I needed some of the punches too, but the two files that I looked at were both Nicholson files, so I figured 2 or 3 of them Nicholson files, and then whatever else is in there is going to be a really good deal. So let me set the camera up a bit of a distance and I'll unpack everything. You can watch with me and I'll see what I discover, because a lot of this stuff I've only seen what's on the surface. I literally brought it into the shed, set the camera up, started filming, so you can see kind of what I'm seeing from the first point. And always remember, don't forget, right here, I guess, roughly, subscribe if you're up to it. Remember, only the cool kids subscribe. Didn't know I was a magician with my hands, huh? Right, enough talking, I'm going to shut up and let's get some of this crap on tracks and see how we look at it. No, this is going to be index drills or some sort of drill. Always use a new drill bit. And don't forget to tell me in the comments if you like this sort of video. There's a lot of content I don't film because I don't know if you're going to be interested in it or not. Like going to flea markets, stuff like that. If you want to see me picking up, I get deals everywhere. It's insane. Just give you an idea. That window unit right there works perfectly. 10,000 BTUs. That was $30. So let me just get this organised a little bit better. We'll go through and see what these files are. I'm quite interested. I'm pretty sure a few of them are going to be good brands. So I'll be back. Okay, that's the start of the. I'm going to have to pan over the camera in a minute, but this is basically what we got, and it's quite the haul, I think. Anyway, let's start off with the chisels. So let's start off with the files. All these are all Nicholson files. These are Simmons. These ones over here is a Wyeth and 2 Kellers. And let me take you off the camera stand so you can have a look at the rest of them. This is an HKP bench mounted bolt. HKP bench mounted bolt cutter. That will be coming up in a future restoration. This vise has got no markings on it, it's got no clue about this whatsoever. Maybe one of you out there has seen one similar, can tell me a little bit about it. I'm going to pan across with the rest of the tools. We've got nippers, hammers, crescent wrenches, all sorts. Lots of Allen key sets. Lots of drifts, some tire wrenches. some Chinesium files, hammers. Right, so what basically this is up to you. What do you want me to do with these files? I'm not worried about these other tools, I'm not going to restore those, maybe some of them. But these files, what do you think I should do?